I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams on our PC. So first of all, we have to sign in. So as I'm already signed in, so now the team application is opening. So it is already opened over here. So this is the web version. So I'm using this on Chrome. So I'm now going to shut down as I've already installed the team app for my desktop. So I'll be opening my app over here. It's already opened over here. So here, yeah, this is the one. So you can see here on the left hand side, activity is there, chat is there, teams, assignments, calendar, calls, files, and just below applications are there, right? So activity, whatever you do will be shown on the desktop. Then chat screen will appear over here. So this is the chat screen where you can do the chatting like WhatsApp and other messaging apps and all. So this is all about chatting. So now the most important thing what we use Teams for is Teams meeting and all. So I'll be clicking on Teams. So this is how the Teams classroom opens over here. Teams means my classroom. So now I'll be showing you how to create or join teams. So first of all, I'll tell you how to create teams. So click on the right side. So click on create team. So then on class, then you can write down any other class like a computer class. Then click on next. Now it is creating. My classroom is being created over here. Team means classroom. So you can see here I can search for my students over here. If the students are in the organization and they have been allotted with the Microsoft Teams ID, so I can search over here like I'll search Muskan Vishwakarma. Okay, so this way I can go on searching and I can keep on adding. So I'll click on add. Then I'll close the tab. So this is my class been made. So welcome to computer class. Okay, so now what we all can do over here is that it's very simple. So you can see here I have already added Muswan Vishwakarma. Likewise, later on also I can keep on adding as many names I like. So the first of all, suppose I want to take a class. So what I have to do, I'll click on meet. So this is how the meeting in general channel starts. Now the invitation of the people I have to do it. So already I have added one student. So later on you can add more, or the most important thing over here is that how to invite the people outside of the organization. So what we can do, you can click on this icon, copy and join information. So I'll click it over here. Now the copy to clipboard. Now what I will do is that I will go to my email, and from any of my Gmail I'll send this link to another email, and that link will be shared to all the students individually. The purpose of showing this meeting was to how to create a link and how to invite. So here you have to go, you can see copy and join information. So here I've already done it. So what I will do, I'll go to my Gmail account. So I'll give my other email address. Then here I'll paste the link which I have created. Okay, now this link I have to send it. So it is already sent. Now whoever will get this invitation will click on that link and will join it. Okay, and then I will accept them and I'll allow them in my class. Now I will teach you how to schedule the meeting through calendar. So you click on calendar. I'll click over here. So now I'll give the title like for example, suppose you want to do a demo meeting, DE. Then required attendees. So whoever like any of like suppose one of my colleagues. So one by one I'll add them, and then I'll choose a time over here. So today is 26. So Monday I'm going to organize this meeting. So I'll give the time over here. So if you want to give any of the written note, you can write down demo meeting or casual meeting or whatever you like. You can casual. So any note or any of the thing whichever you like to convey them, you can write it over here. Then you can click on send button. So the invitation already has been sent to them. on the day of the meeting, I'll go to the calendar. I'll click it on calendar. So you can see over here, meet now and new meeting is given over here. So directly what I will do is, so 27, you can see here 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. I have scheduled the meeting. So I'll click it over here. So this page opens over here. So I don't have to do anything else. Directly I can click on join. So this type of page opens over here. So what I have to do, I have to join the meeting. Join now. So it opened. Okay. So from here you can see here, this is the camera and this is the voice one. Okay. So what I will do is that I can that means uncheck this one, so that camera will be on. So right now I'm not going to show my camera. So suppose during the meeting you want to do some changes, so you can click on these three dots. You can start recording over here. You can end the meeting also. Okay, you can go to enter full screen. So in some of the other highly configured computer, you'll get one more option, change the background over here. Right now I don't have that one. In between the meeting you can raise hand also. You can send a chat also from here. Okay, right side I can see the chat. Okay, so suppose I want to write something, so I have sent. So this is the chat. Like you want to see the members, how many have joined it or not. So this is on the right side. You can see I am the organizer, so two of my friends are there, still they have not joined it. Okay, and then in between the meeting, suppose I want to invite anyone else who are within the organization, like I'm going to invite one of my colleagues. So I'll click it over here. Okay, so he will be getting my call from me. So once he receives the call, he will directly come into the meeting and will be seen with everyone. So you can see here, this is how we are doing it. So now next one, the calls. So within the calls, you can call anyone of your friends, like many of them are there. So I can call to any one of them. So whenever they are online, or if they are online on the right time, so I can easily call them. Hope you all have understood how to use Microsoft Teams on our PC. It's very, very simple. Simple things. If you are a teacher, then it is very, very helpful for you. Right now during the lockdown, we can use this application, use this software as a very important tool in which we can interact with our students and all. We can schedule the meeting by going to the calendar, or directly from the class also I can schedule a meeting. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial.